Hello, everybody. This time I want to invite you to my live online lecture about newest things we have developed in this 2021 in Zero Bone Loss Concepts. I'll talk about one abutment one time, when does it work and when it does not work. I'll show you the latest methods, how to reduce semen remnants. Also, I'm gonna discuss what happens if you are placing implant with 45 degrees conical connection subcrestally. Also, I'll touch a little bit this myth that you need to have 2 millimeters thigh base height, at least in order to prevent bone loss. And of course, I'm maybe gonna show a small portion, few cases of ZBLC immediate, a new course which I am working on now. Also, after the lecture, we're gonna have live questions and answers. So please sign up and let's meet on the 10th of March, 6 p.m. Lithuanian time.